everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this pink purpley smoky eyeshadow look. I normally don't wear a lot of color on my eyes, but I thought Valentine's Day is a perfect time for me to just, you know, step outside of my comfort zone. And since I'm wearing a lot of color on my eyes, I thought I'd keep the lips very neutral. So this is what I came up with. If you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Since my eyebrows were already filled in, I'm going to start off by using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And I'm going to apply that onto my entire eyelid. And using my finger, I'm going to blend that all out. And then with a big fluffy blending brush, I'm going to use the color CHIC Happens. It's a beautiful purple matte color, like a light purple matte color, and I'm going to apply that to the hollows of my eyes as a transition color. Then I'm going to use the color Heavy Glam on the inner half or the first half of my eyelids, and I'm going to use a patting motion to apply the eyeshadow. This color is seriously so beautiful. It's like such a nice pink color. Like, I don't really wear a lot of color on my eyelids, but this pink is like my new favorite. Next, I'm going to use the color Lit on the outer corners of my eyes. This is a beautiful purple metallic color, but I find that it doesn't show up entirely purple. It has a little bit of a pinkish undertone to it. So I think it looks really great with the Heavy Glam that I previously applied. It's like seriously the most beautiful color combo ever. I don't really wear a lot of colors, but I really love these two together. And then I'm going to use the same big fluffy brush that I used for the transition color, and I'm going to just blend that all out so that there are no harsh lines or edges. Next, I'm going to highlight my brow bone using the color Sunburst from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette. And then I'm also going to use that same highlighter to highlight the inner corners of my eyes to really make my eyes pop. Don't worry, we're not done with the eyes just yet. We're going to come back to that in a little bit. First, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Hydrate and Smooth Foundation in the color 225 Medium Buff. And I'm going to dot that all over my face. And then I'm going to use a flat brush to blend it all out and even out my skin tone. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the number 20, Light Medium. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face. I don't really bake, I just kind of apply that everywhere to set my foundation. And then I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola Bronzer to define my cheekbones a little bit, to give my face a little more definition so it doesn't look so flat and wide. Then I'm going to go over my bronzer using the color Golden Bronze from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit palette. And this is a metallic bronzer, so it helps hide any harsh lines left behind. And then I'm going to highlight using the color Sunburst from the same palette. Okay, I'm going to finish off my eyes now. Here I'm lining my lower lash line using the color CHIC Happens. And then I'm going to use the same brush that I used earlier on for the color Lit, and I'm going to connect my lower lash line to my outer V and blend it out nicely. And then I'm going to go over my lower lash line again. This time I'm using the color Lit in order to blend out the eyeliner I just did. And then I'm going to pop on some lashes. Here I'm wearing the style Lashtastic by Evermore Lashes. And for the last and final step, here I'm lining my lips using the Kylie Jenner lip liner in the color Exposed. I am totally guilty of overlining my lips just the tiniest bit, I'm not gonna lie. I can't help it. And then using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the color Loyalist, I'm going to go over the lip liner I just did. This is my new favorite nude lip color. It does take a little bit to dry, so after you apply it, you want to make sure you don't rub your lips together. And while I'm waiting for my lips to dry, I decided to contour my nose since I forgot to do that in the video earlier on. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to go over my lips using the lip gloss in the color CURVII by ColourPop Cosmetics and ILUVSARAHI. And that's it. This is the final look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please hit the like button. And if you guys would like to see more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time.